MH, your trusted global sewing thread partner. Founded in 2011. Hunan MH Thread Factory is a leading integrated manufacturer of sewing thread, covering RD production and sales. With 500 plus workers, annual producing capacity is more than 40,000 tons. MH is the largest sewing thread manufacturer. Welcome to our pre-spinning workshop, the first stage of production. Here, we test and receive raw yarn, processed by spinning mills into 1.4 kilograms yarn cones. In the dyeing workshop, we run 2 shifts daily, with a daily capacity of 120 tons. Every order is matched precisely in color and quantity according to customer requirements. Our dyed yarn is dried using high-efficiency TS dryers from Germany, with fully automated temperature and time control. This is MH Winding Workshop. The SSM high-speed winding machines produce high-density, precision wound cones, deliver excellent package formation and even oiling. All production data is synchronized in real time with MH ERP system. Quality is ensured at every step, from material supply and in-process checks to final inspection, guaranteeing consistent, high-standard cone yarn for every order. Welcome to our fully automated smart warehouse. AGV auto delivery. Using 5G and IoT technologies, we've increased logistics efficiency by 70%. From automated stacking and intelligent transport to ERP WMS guided dispatch, every step is fully visible and precisely controlled, ensuring fast, safe, and accurate delivery of both raw materials and finished goods. We're committed to green manufacturing, powered by an 8 megawatt solar system, with 100% recycling of dyeing, cooling and condensate water, and full heat recovery to reduce carbon emissions. Welcome to MH Testing Center. We cover physical and chemical properties, and compliance with US, EU, and Japanese standards. Testing for shrinkage, pH, wash and color fastness, strength, and more. MH stands for quality, efficiency and responsibility. We deliver reliable sewing thread and responsive service to global clients with confidence. MH, your trusted global sewing thread partner.